what that is. I'm wearing this plaid skirt. Organized my shoes look. Oh baby. This is what the inside of the package. Ooh, these are super cute.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah.
Good morning, everyone. What is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Hannah. We're starting this day from the bathroom because my room is a disaster and the lighting in here is solid, so I'll drink to that. I wanted to give a quick intro to this vlog. Welcome to vlog week. I've done one of these weeks before and it ended up being a really big hit. Like, so many people loved it, so I decided to bring it back this month. But basically I'll be posting a vlog every single day, Monday through Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you guys will have a new vlog out. I've been slacking on videos lately, so I figured this was a good way to make it up to you guys. So welcome to the first day of vlog week. Today is actually Thursday, but you guys will see this on a Monday. It's the first day of my weekend, hence the Starbucks cup. I have a few things planned today. One of them is cleaning my disastrous room. Let me just show you that for a second. Okay, just let me know like what the heck is happening here. Basically, to sum it up, we got new carpet throughout my entire upstairs, and so everything in my room had to be moved, including stuff from my closet. So things are just literally everywhere, and this needs to be cleaned up. Another thing that we're doing is I'm actually going to a pumpkin patch today. I'm going around 1 o'clock with my friend, and I'm really excited about that because I haven't really done any fall things this season. I never really do fall things. You know, fall, this is like a hot take, but fall isn't like my favorite season. I'm definitely more of a summer girl. I do like fall, but I'm just like not the type of person that needs to go to like a pumpkin patch every single weekend. Do all of the things, you know what I mean? But every now and then it's really fun. We are gonna take some cute pictures and just go pick out some pumpkins, probably drink some ciders, like have a little day. But I just wanted to give an intro to not only this vlog, but vlog week, so welcome to it. If you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below so that you can keep up with vlog week and just all of my videos in general, and give this video a thumbs up. I respond to all of my comments. I love interacting with you guys and having conversations in my comments. It's like all of you guys are my friends and I love that. So if you want to have a little convo, comment down below and I will respond back to you guys. Final look. We curled my hair, did some makeup. I think I have literally no clue what that is. I don't know if I don't remember touching myself with a curling iron, but I'm wondering if maybe I curled my hair and then my hair touched my face and it burned my face. So now I have a little scar on my cheek. That's sick. I need to pick out an outfit really quickly before I clean my room, just in case I don't have time. I honestly don't anticipate me picking out an outfit to take an hour and a half, and if it does, we have other issues. But I think I'm gonna pick out an outfit to go to the pumpkin patch in first, and then we're going to attempt to tackle at least part of this mess because it's a lot. Ignore the mess, but this is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing Doc Martens with some mid-calf socks because that's the key to breaking them in, is to layer some tall socks with some short socks. I'm wearing this plaid skirt, and then I'm wearing this little turtleneck. I layered some gold jewelry and my Miranda Fry hoops, and then I did like a little half up, half down curled hair moment. I just think it like really completes the outfit. I don't know how I feel about it, but we're wearing it for right now. I may end up changing, we shall see. But now to pick up literally this entire mess. I made an even bigger mess because I started dumping things, which wouldn't recommend doing that, but it is what it is. Okay, so we've made some progress. Honestly, look at how organized my shoes look. They haven't looked this good in so long. I have all of my booties up here. I have like my shoes that I wear most often right here at like eye level, easy grab. Then I just have some like flip-flops off to the side. Then we have sandals, Converse, my running shoes, heels and boots, and I'm actually getting rid of 3 pairs that I don't wear anymore. So honestly, this was a good little clean out, and I love the way that it turned out. Made more room to go buy some more shoes. Oh baby. What's up everyone? It is a significant amount of time later. I just got back from being out and about. I'm currently laying down in bed because I'm so tired, but we didn't end up going to a pumpkin patch. We ended up going to a winery and then a pizza place in a town about 30 minutes from me. So we did like a little mini day trip site situation to like a local town. It was so much fun and it was exactly what I needed. I feel like unexpected, spontaneous plans tend to be the best plans just because you never know what's gonna happen. We got some cute pics for the gram. We drank some good wine, ate some amazing pizza, like literally some of the best pizza I think I've had in this area. It reminded me of New York pizza, which is always a good thing because New York pizza is the best. So now I'm just hanging out. I still need to continue to put away all of my clothes, but for now I think I'm just gonna hang out in my room and watch some Netflix and kind of wind down because I have had quite an eventful, unexpected day, but those are always the good ones like I was saying. So yeah, so far it's been a good day. I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I just got a really exciting package in the mail from Warby Parker. I think I mentioned this in either like a previous vlog or currently this vlog, but basically Warby Parker is like the at-home eyeglass try-on brand. This is not sponsored. I totally wish it was. This is what the inside of the package looks like. It kind of gives you information on what the package is about. You pick 5 eyeglasses online and they ship it to you and you try them all on. They don't have my prescription in them yet. I see which frame I like best and then I can order that frame online with my prescription in them. They like ship it to you 100% free until you actually buy the eyeglasses, and of course you have to pay for the eyeglasses, but I'm really excited to try these on right now. The first pair is the Landon and Whiskey Tortoise. I'm excited for this one. I think this is, they all kind of look the same. I kind of have like a general style that I'm trying to go for, but I just need to make sure that they like fit my face properly. So this is the Landon Whiskey Tortoise. Oh wow, I really like these. Ooh, these are super cute. So these are number 1. This is the second pair. This is the Chamberlain Crystal. Aren't these kind of fun? Ooh, they're edgy. I don't know if I could wear these as my everyday glasses though, but they're kind of cute. They'd be cute as blue light glasses for work. I took them and ran, so we're gonna try on the third pair. This one is the Wilder Whiskey Tortoise, so it's like the same color as the first one, but a different shape. I think this one's a little bit smaller than the first one. Like I said, I'm kind of going for like a general theme other than those last ones. I think those last ones were like the wildest pair that I actually got. There's these ones. Oh, I don't think I like these ones also. There's a huge smudge. I don't think I like these.
Yeah, I don't like
these ones are like too wide on my face, I think. All right, the fourth one is the Wilkie Greystone. These are gray. I don't know if I like the gray. I didn't realize they were gray. I guess I should have known by the name. They're called gray.
Are they gray with like the brown?
No, they're like gray. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. They're literally gray. Oh, they're big.
I bet you didn't like it.
I can see the frames though. I don't like that I can see the frames are like very distracting. The thing with these though is that I can take the shape, like if I like the shape, I can take the shape and like look at the different colors online because they all come in different colors. I potentially like the shape of these, but I don't like the color. So I might get these, see if they have these ones in like a non-gray, like maybe a black or tan or something. I like to match glasses with my hair color, which I know is kind of weird, but I just feel like if the glasses complement the hair, they don't look as wild. And then the last pair that we have is the Welty Whiskey Tortoise. So clearly I like one particular color. This is the Welty. Oh, I like these. I keep fogging them up by breathing on them first. Oh, I think I like these ones the best. Ooh, last but not least. That was my little try on haul for Warby Parker. I don't know which ones I like. I definitely like these ones a lot. I think that these might be my favorite. And then I like the clear ones just because I think they're kind of funky and they're fun. So we'll see which ones I end up picking. If I don't end up picking by the time this video goes up, you guys should comment your favorite one down below so you can help me decide, because I feel like if I'm gonna spend money on glasses, I want to make sure that I love them. So comment down below your favorite lens so you guys can have some input as well before I order them. I just think it's really cool that and unique that they do try-on sets, especially during COVID. Like they were doing this before COVID, but especially in times of COVID, this is nice so you don't have to go to the eye doctor and like touch all the glasses in the area and try them on. A lot of eyeglass stores are starting to do this now as well. Warby Parker is just one of them. Can you guys hear my washing machine literally trying to take off upstairs? It sounds like a rocket ship. That is insane. I'm gonna go ahead and end off this vlog here because I'm going to start off another vlog tomorrow for vlog week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first day of vlog week and this little day in my life. If you guys are not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Throw me a comment so we can chat, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.